Okay, here we go. It is 5:49 in the PM. That's after AM, so that means it's in the evening. And we are headed to our chiropractic appointment. I've been studying and in school all day, and Laura, after changing in the car to her skivvies and putting on her work outfit, is now eating her Triscuits to gather her energy. And we're gonna go show what our chiropractic appointment is like, because although it takes time, it's still pretty fun, and we razz each other there. That's what we do. So I say we're probably the coolest people to come in there. Self-proclaimed that may be, but you know what? I can say what I want.
Word.
Word.
I'm busy.
Like that truck right there is in need of a little bit of a wash job. It rained last week here, and his car is very clean. Brown on white! Good thing you can see out of his windows. Should we do that with our car?
No.
Can we go do that?
No.
Why not? We're gonna go do that later.
There.
What'd you just say? Tell me what you just said.
No.
Come on.
I told you already.
Say it
You
again.
don't need to hear it.
We want to hear it again. What did you just say?
Nothing. I was talking about the truck. If it was muddy. No, it's nothing.
Finish it. Come on. What?
No.
Repeat it. Do
It's
it.
a cute thing only meant for you
Do
and not for
it.
everyone else.
It's for everyone.
No. Sorry.
Say it.
Nope.
Don't be a pruder. Say it.
No.
What's?
If you wanted to catch cute things on, you have to catch those things live. It sounds silly when you just try and say it again.
You could do a good job. We're gonna have to work on that. We're gonna work on that. We're here.
Okay. Hey.
What's up, Dale?
What is that?
All right.
Did you just get it? Yes.
We told everyone about you already.
You did?
Yeah.
You making a movie? I hope it was
No,
all
he
good.
just likes to vlog stuff.
It's totally good.
You have a
Call
blog?
this advertisement. This is their
Hey,
marketer.
we're not paying you.
This is their accountant, clerk, slash
Insurance.
give everything to. There's their masseuse. She's walking away.
This is funny.
This is funny.
We have to sign our lives away here. So she's getting our
Well,
documents
you're not going to have
set.
this on.
Ladies first.
Thank you.
Do you
I
guys
can't
really
have 'em.
blog that you put this up in?
He does, yeah. He started like...
Day in the life of Steven.
Yeah. What are you doing? This is private. This is not
This
allowed
is
to be on my
private.
blog.
Private information.
They can't see you sign your name,
No, it has other stuff on here.
like circles on letters that no one knows what they are except the doctor.
There you go.
I'll let them see. Everyone see that?
I'll
That's me,
support you.
right there. That's whatever is about me. And that is my beautiful signature.
Excellent. Excellent.
We're gonna go get back fit now.
Do them all.
Did I do mine?
Your x-rays.
I did my exercises, yes. I did my exercises.
Alright, we're going to see if you did or didn't. One time, huh?
I had 4 days in between visits. One time is good. With my busy schedule. How many times did you do yours?
How many hours did you sleep? I'm just kind of curious.
Well, we slept a lot yesterday.
Okay.
Yesterday we slept a lot.
So you slept a lot.
I did.
Could have cut a half
Okay,
hour off of sleep.
her walking away did hers once. And then her little 5-minute stretches before she gets into bed, she counts as her exercising.
No, he tells me to do stretches before I get in bed.
Anyways, I gotta work on this. This is what I gotta do. Right there.
So here he
Here's
is.
the thing, is he's not being safe.
Right. You're not. You need to wear your safety bands.
Other people.
Yeah, if you fall, we're going to laugh.
If I fall,
And we cannot sue for injury.
the man of steel.
But you're at the right place if you do get injured.
Yeah, if there's a place to get hurt, why not here at the chiropractic office?
It's going to be hockey.
Okay, so here's these stretches he needs to do.
We already showed him that.
Oh, did you?
There's Laura working hard. What are you stopping for?
One of my things I was
She's not even supposed to be doing this exercise. You're supposed to be doing, what is it, cat and camels, and I don't think you do the rope anymore. Maybe the bike. I don't remember what you do. The foam roll. Am I doing my normal thing, Dale?
Yeah.
Okay.
I want to see you do all those exercises.
I got to get this ball. Oh, I got it. Locked into memory. I'm like a pro at back fit. Do you need assistance?
So this is Steve doing his Supermans.
This is what we did in rehearsals for Superman Returns. I was one of the people in it. We had to do this, and then like this, the one-hand maneuver. That's how we practiced it, using the ball.
You're gonna come over there and pick out the ball from
We have to do one leg up like this and one leg down. That one was pretty tough. I failed that one. That's why I didn't get hired.
This is the face of someone working hard.
I still have my hat on. I don't know why I still have my hat on. This is making me hotter. These are walkouts. Supposed to help with lower back strength. Like Billy Blanks, I talk while I exercise. This is the extent of the difficulties of Prego
I was on the bike over there. You didn't
and
even
her,
get it on
her
tape.
workouts. What's this one called here?
I don't know. Maybe that's Dale. I think he's busy.
This is the
Dale, what is this called?
white marshmallow tube roll.
That's foam roll.
Oh, no.
The foam roll in the drums right now.
It's to help redirect muscle fiber, loosen up the muscles,
That's important.
detoxify muscles.
That's important. I don't get any of that.
You could use it.
I gotta do planks.
Oh, that would you just stop? Wow, look at that. Impressive. Impressive. Wow.
Yep, he has pretty good skills.
Just make sure you're all clenched up there. Yeah.
Bow hunting skills.
It's clenched.
Whoa! Zoomed in. That's my hair.
Beautiful. Beautiful. Looks like you put a lot of time and effort into it. Post back fit,
Yeah,
hairdo.
yeah. It's actually pretty good compared to what it usually is after I get off the bed, off the table.
Yeah, usually it's pretty crazy. It's like you were doing some serious sprinting or something. This is how I always look. Sorry. Doesn't get any better.
It does. You're shaved and your hair's all done.
This is like the man scruff right there. That's what it is. What are you doing? Don't make out at back fit. That's gross. They don't want to see that.
on that side. Now.
They have just taken our money and we have completed our adventures in back fit.
Till we meet again.
Dale, don't miss me too long while I'm gone.
I will. I'm already missing you.
I'm waiting for some new stuff.
See you on
Bye.
Thursday.
Bye, everyone.
Bye, guys.
Not to get it.
You want ice cream?
No.
Now you're not being cute again? Now you're being this
I do want
introvert?
ice cream, but we didn't have dinner like you said.
Oh, I'm the party pooper. Great. Make me out to be the bad person.
I have an ice cream cone. Looks like soft serve. But it could have been just regular ice cream.
Do you want ice cream or is it the baby that wants ice cream?
No, I don't need ice cream. We're going to have spaghetti. We're going to have spaghetti.